Hi, I'm John Courtney and welcome to Windows Command Line and Batch Script Management. Over this course we'll be going over some of the many commands available in a command prompt window, as well as how to write and make effective use of batch files so that repetitive tasks can be run automatically. Batch files can also be used for one-off tasks that require a lot of commands, such as a major software upgrade. Command line input has been available since even before the first version of Windows, and therefore there is a good chance that you may already be familiar with the command prompt on some level or another. Some of the commands covered in this course include creating and managing both files and directories, as well as copying, moving and deleting files. Whilst commands are normally entered one at a time, this isn't always practical, and is why we have batch files. Batch files can be quite a useful utility, and so we'll be covering this in detail as well, including how to create a batch file and how to best structure the batch file so that it's readable by other technicians. Now that we've gone over the course outline, let's move on to the first part of the course, an overview of the command prompt window.